Great. So, the next category is Artificial Intelligence Professional of the Year. The award will be given to a practitioner who has shown initiative, innovation and leadership in organizing a high-performing AI function with multiple artificial intelligence systems or ML models in production, and with that managed to transform and improve business impact and output. This one is, again, sponsored by Databricks, so welcome on stage. I like that you're changing, so it's so smooth, you know? You don't even know who's gonna... But we appreciate all of the support that you have been giving on all these categories. Come in the middle.
And the winner is Tonia Sideri.
Was not able to join us today, so she sent a short video about this.
So, thank you so much. This is crazy. Secondly, I'm really sorry I cannot be there. I would have used any excuse to wear anything else but sneakers. However, I'm giving a lecture to Copenhagen Business School, so I had to be there. I want to thank Hyperight for organizing this event, but also steering this AI community in the Nordics. I want to thank my colleagues of Novo Nordisk and my awesome team. We have tripled our area size within a year. We have operational machine learning projects that bring data to life, all the way from R&D to production, to commercial, to finance and so forth. We have built an MLOps team, we are utilizing the mature platforms, and we are ready to scale even further AI in the organization. I'm very happy to represent Denmark in this collection of awesome people, and we all know that the power of AI is enormous and the collective intelligence of data. However, this intelligence is obsolete without the collective intelligence of people. So thank you all for being part of this amazing community. Let's keep driving AI. Let's keep following a field that is faster than any of us and utilizing the collective intelligence to create real impact in our fields and bring data to life. Thank you so much and have a great evening.
Perfect.